So guys, welcome to the channel Delta Sir. In the previous session, we have seen the user interface of the After Effects. Now we will start a new project. So let's create a new composition. You can create a new composition from here, from this icon, or you can go into the composition and create a new composition. So there are multiple options for creating a composition. This is a document size. चेक कर लीजिए आपको कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, किसके लिए बनाना है, लाइक 4K 8K वीडियोस फॉर यूट्यूब चैनल और फॉर थिएटर प्रोजेक्टर्स, लार्ज स्क्रीन इवेंट्स. You can use these window, or you can use HD for televisions, normal YouTube videos. And the standard is 29.97 FPS globally worldwide. So पूरी दुनिया में आपकी वीडियोस जो चलती है वो 29.97 FPS पे है इस वक्त. एंड 25 FPS 24 FPS पुराने हो चुके हैं, पहले यूज़ हुआ करते थे. सो 29.97 FPS हमेशा रखें, डॉक्यूमेंट साइज़ कोई भी हो आपका. देन HD TVs, DV Pro films, there are multiple options. For social media, square, rectangle, 4:5, there are multiple options. So I am taking 1920 1080 29 FPS and keep this as a square pixels. The frame rate, if you want to customize here, you can customize. Otherwise, this is fine. Resolution is full. We can change it anytime in the preview window. Resolution is like what quality we will see in the preview panel. Because काफ़ी बार क्या होता है कि हम हैवी प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम कर रहे होते हैं या लार्ज इमेज साइजेस होते हैं, उनको स्केल करते हैं, स्केल करके 20-30% पे ले आते हैं, तो वो इमेजेस हैवी होती हैं. तो उस केस में प्रीव्यू स्लो हो जाता है. वीडियो प्रीव्यू है तो प्ले कांस्टेंट 29 की स्पीड पे नहीं होता. तो उस केस में हम क्या करते हैं, इस रिजोल्यूशन को कम कर देते हैं, हाफ क्वार्टर, और प्रीव्यू देख लेते हैं. बाकी रेंडर हम फुल पे करते हैं. फिर दिस इज स्टार्ट टाइम, 0 ही रहता है. ये है ड्यूरेशन. अब आपका ड्यूरेशन कितने सेकंड की टाइमलाइन चाहिए. सो ये होते हैं आवर्स, ये होते हैं मिनट्स, ये होते हैं सेकंड्स, एंड दिस इज फ्रेम्स. 29 फ्रेम्स इज इक्वल टू 1 सेकंड. सो इफ आई टाइप 30 हियर, इट्स वाज 0, and if I create 30 here, it will automatically create a 1 second. You see, this is 1 second. And if I want to change this to 1 second timeline to the 30 seconds, so either I'll click on the click on the preview window and click on the composition settings, or I can simply press Command K for a shortcut, and I'll make it 30 seconds. So 30 seconds, 0 frames. And this is the background color, what color this will have. So let me choose a simple gray color. Yeah, this. I know this one is fine, and this is okay, but I am not able to see any color. And this is our preview window, but there is no background color, so we need to know about these options. So this one is the checker box. So this is showing the transparent grid. If I click on this, it will show the color that I have choose while creating the composition. Now a composition create कर लिया, but इसका नाम com1 आ रहा है. Let me change it name. I'll click on it, right click, rename to animation by Delta Sir. Yeah, this is fine. And if you see, I changed the name here, and this is automatically changed. This is our timeline. I'm still seeing the 1 second here. I'll zoom out. So there is a shortcut for plus for zoom in, minus for zoom out for the timeline. So मैं एक PNG image import कर लेता हूँ इसके अंदर. So I'm importing this PNG, and I'll drag it here. To make this full screen, you need to click the button just left to the numeric 1, and now you will press shift ? or make the resolution to fit up to 200. And now we'll see that if we make the resolution half, there is a little bit a downgrade in the quality. Right, to make it full, it is clear. And in third, you will see the more loss in the quality, and the quarter is a very rough, very basic quality. So let's make it auto for the smoothly run of the video. Now you'll see there is an arrow. Below this arrow you will see transform, and below that you will find multiple options: anchor point, position, scale, rotation, opacity. So position we can change anywhere, or we can make it move like this. For the scale, can uniformly scale it from here, and if you want to scale only the one side, like x axis or the y axis, okay. And this is the rotation. You can make it rotate at any point. And this is opacity, blend into the background. Very nice. So let me reset it, and now let's get back to the animations. So let me scale it down to the 50%, but I want it uniform, so let's make it 50% uniform. Now I am animating it from left to right. So I'm putting it on left, and this is the keyframe icon. When we click on this watch and we move our object in the space anywhere, it will create a key. So the first key is placed and a 00 seconds. Now I am going it to the 1 second, 29 frame, and I am bringing it here, right? So you will see this is moving from there to there. And if you want the rotation in between this, so you can create another key on the first frame. And if you want to go on this, when you reach on the exact position, you will see there is a fill color, and if you are away from this, it will be removed. So this is quite hard to reach the destination, so it's better to click on this arrow. Next, this is the previous key. Jump to the previous key, jump to the next key. Now I'll rotate it accordingly. This. So it will now rotate, and this. Let me zoom the timeline, the plus and minus key. So if you see, when I play this, the previewer keeps on going. So every time I need to go into this. So it's better to bring this one close to this, and now it will play in loop continuously. If it is not playing in your system in a loop, then go into the preview window. Here it is. Are you guys able to see the preview window? No? None of you? Okay, so it's not here. Let's go into the window and see where is the shortcut is Command 3. And for window users, it is Control 3. Go into the preview window. You will see a loop button. Click on the change loop option. Play once loop. So this is play once. This is loop. Keeps on. You see this drawing is changing. So this is loop. Now we have some more properties. You will not find it here, the PNG. When you create a shape from this one, this is rectangle tool. If you hold on it, you will find multiple other tools: rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star, right? So let's choose to ellipse. And I'm creating a circle, but it's not the accurate circle. So press shift and it will create an accurate circle. Yeah, and if you see, this is an outline of the circle, not the complete fill circle. So I'll click on this fill and choose the color to orange, right? And in the stroke I'll make it 0. I don't need a stroke, I need only the circle. So if you see, in this layer you will have a content and transformation, and in the PNG you will have only the transformation. So transformation is same in both the layers. You see the same, all the same positions. But in shape layer we have a content layer as well, which shows an ellipse with a path. So if you click on these arrows, you will go into the sub properties. So ellipse has a size, a position. You can change the size of the ellipse here anytime. You can change the stroke, color, size, opacity, anything. Fill color, opacity, anything. And here is a ellipse property. So we don't need to use or touch this property. Let it be as it is, because we use all the transformation from here directly. So we can create animation for this one as well. I'm keying it on a position. Sorry, it's on the 11th frame, right? So I'll go back to the first frame. I'll press position to see the position key. I can see the rotation, pressing the rotation key, or I can use shift P to see two properties at once, or there is multiple position, scale, opacity, multiple things. You don't remember that. आपको मालूम नहीं है कि किस पे आपने की लगाया, स्केल पे लगाया था कि पोजीशन पे कि रोटेशन पे, तो आप स्केल दबाओगे, पोजीशन दबाओगे, ओपेसिटी के लिए टी दबाओगे बार बार. सो इट्स बेटर आप यू प्रेस कर दीजिए. जहाँ भी आपने की लगाई है जिन प्रॉपर्टीज़ पे, वो सीधा एक ही बार में खुल कर देंगी. नाउ लेट्स गो इनटू द फ्रेम 1 of shape layer, switching on the position and bringing the shape here, right, and scaling it a little bit, and I'm bringing this shape below the PNG. Yeah, right. I think this color is a little awkward, so I'll change it to white. Yeah. So I place key on the position. I'm going on the second key, and if you want, you can click on this add a key, or just drag this and adjust the position. Right now you will see both of them are running quietly. Very nice. You can increase the time of the animation anytime. This preview section as well. So that's it. This is the user interface, creating an animation with the simple basic shapes or PNG, right? So in the next video, we will learn about the effects and preset. It has multiple effects, it has a wide range of effects, which we will learn in the next class. So stay tuned. Thank you.